This is Leading Forex YouTube channel, and this is a channel you've been waiting for. This is a channel you will learn things differently in the Forex market. I have been waiting for so long to bring you a channel like this where I will share with you my experience in the Forex market and also tell you certain things you will not hear or see on the internet about Forex. So you are lucky if today is your first time seeing this channel. I will entreat you to subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification bell so that most of the information we will be sharing will be available to you all the time. On this channel, if you are the first to chance upon this video, this channel we talk about a few things in Forex, and they are Forex tutorials like you are receiving today, weekly forecast, weekly trading forecast. So as a trader, you need to know what happens this week or next week, what is going to happen in the Forex market, which trading currency is going to go bearish or which one will go bullish. You need to have an insight to that, and that will be your guide. Okay, so we give you all that on this channel, and also we give you tips you need to know in terms of Forex psychology. As a trader, your emotions count. At times you realize that you are in a trade that will be giving you the profit, and then you feel like, let me wait more and get more. And before you realize, that trade will turn against you and you begin to make losses. And sometimes too, you are a trader, you are making losses in the market. You think, no, I can't stand it anymore. Let me get out of the market. And immediately you get out of the market turns around and then goes in your favor. And you'll be like, had I known? So it really boils down to emotions. And so you will need some psychology here so that you will be able to adapt and know what to do at the right time. So you will be receiving Forex psychology on this channel. And then also, we will be talking about Forex trading strategies. Forex trading strategies. There are a lot of strategies you need to know and how to use them to trade and then to make profits. And then also, we will be talking about some indicators that will help you as a Forex trader and those that will not help you as a Forex trader. So we will be taking indicators one by one. The popular ones and the ones that are not popular. We'll be looking at a few of them, and I know these indicators will do you a lot of good. So today, to start with the basics, we want to look at how to download MT4 on your PC or laptop. Okay, if you are using an Apple laptop, which is a MacBook or whatever, or if you are using a Windows laptop, how do you get MT4 on your machine or your laptop or your PC? So you go to Google, then you type MT4 download for PC. Okay, so when you type MT4, you see a lot of them showing, a lot of suggestions. So you see them. Some are ads here, some are also from real websites. Okay, so now what you need to know is that there are also brokers, okay, that have their own MT4. All right, so you can go to any broker of your choice and also download their MT4. And when you download MT4 from any broker, it doesn't mean that you can only use their MT4 to trade that broker. No, you can use their MT4 to trade with any other broker. All right, so you can download any MT4 from any of the brokers you know. So maybe, for instance, this is an MT4 from a broker known as FXTM. So if you need this MT4, you can go there. It doesn't matter which broker you are dealing with. You can download their MT4 and use it for any other broker. All right, so this is FXTM and this is their MT4 here. So if you want to download it, here it is. So you can download it from them. Or you can choose to go back, and then any other broker you want, you can just visit that broker. They have their MT4 for you, so you can download it from them, all right? Or if you want from the original source, this is MT4trader.com. So you can go here, you visit here, and then you see all the packages, all right? So this is MT4 here. They have different packages. So they have MT5 here. You can download MT5 if you want the MT5, but I will want to recommend you download the MT4 because it is the most commonest trading platform used by most brokers. Okay, so you see, download MT4 for PC. So you can download the MT4 for PC here, and then the MT5 is up here like I showed you. So this one is MT5 here. So MetaTrader 5, Trader 4 is here for PC, and then when you go down, you see MetaTrader 4 for iPhone, iPad is also here. So you can download it, and then that is those of you who are using MacBook and then the other Apple products. So you can download it here, and then when you go down, I think the last one is here. Download MetaTrader 4 for Android. So if you are using an Android phone, all right, you can download it from here. So this is how to do it. So once you get it downloaded, okay, I have downloaded MT4 from a broker known as FBS. Okay, I don't use them. I don't use FBS, but I just decided to download their MT4. So this is the MT4, all right? And so we have the codes here. The currency codes are here. Okay, so we have the currency codes here. And then we have the navigator panel here. This is where most of the things we'll be looking at. Okay, so, and then we have the balance, the trade balance here. Like I told you, this is one of my old accounts. I don't use this broker anymore. It's this broker is known as Easy Market. Okay, I don't use them anymore. Not that they are not good, they are good, but I think I found another one which is best for me. So I decided to clear my money from here, but I'm just using them to teach you all for tutorial purposes. So this balance you are seeing here is 0.74 US dollars from my Easy Market. So you can see it here, Easy Forex Live. So I'm using Easy Forex. Okay, so that is one of my oldest accounts which I don't use anymore. So I decided to use it for tutorial purposes. Okay, so this is it. So this is MT4. Now, one of the things you need to know is when you download the MT4, we have the time frames here. 1 minute time frame is here. It's loading. Let it be quick so that we see what it is. Is it the internet? I think so. My internet is a bit slow, but it will surely open up. Okay, let's see. Anyway, so we have the time frames here. M1, M5, M15, M30, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, daily, weekly, and then monthly. So this is, it was on the daily, so this is the daily time frame, and then we have the others. So you can always change the time frame to suit what you want to trade with. All right, and then you can also zoom here in and out. So zoom out here, you can see, and then you can zoom in here. All right, so this is it. Okay, and then you can change the charts, but it's on the candlestick. That's the mostly used chart, so it's on candlestick, but you can change it here. So these are some of the basic features. So if you want to be able to access something, you click here. Maybe you want to check how many pips from here to up. Let me go back for it. So you can click and hold, and then you drag. You'll be able to know how many pips this trade has made up to here, or from here to here. You can look at that. From here to here, whatever you want to do. All right, so these are some features you will find on the MT4. And now today what we want to learn basically is how to install indicator on MT4. When you download, there are some indicators we will be testing. So when you get that indicator, how do you install it on your MT4? That is what we are going to learn today. So let's see how to do that. Okay, so you go to file, you come to file at the top here, so you click on file, then you go to open data folder. You click on open data folder, so it must open. So it must open like this. Then you look for MQL4. So that's meta quote 4 here. So you click on this, it must open. And then when it opens, you will see indicators here. So this is where you will come. You will see indicators here. So you click on the indicators. So these are some custom indicators already built in the MT4. So you can see them here. They have the accelerator, accumulation, alligator, ATR is here. Awesome. I think this ATR is one of the best indicator I love. We will be looking at that, okay? We have the awesome, we have the bands, the bear. There are a lot. You can see them. So all the custom indicators are here. Heikin-Ashi is here. Custom moving averages. The CCI is here. Ichimoku is here. Ichimoku. One day I'll be talking about Ichimoku. All right. So we have the MACD is here. A lot of them. So all the custom built indicators. The RSI. One day I will be talking about this. The parabolic SAR. I will be talking about it one day. Stochastic. Another indicator I will be talking about. So these are the custom made indicators on this MT4. So if you want, you can create a new folder here. Since you are going to add new indicators, you can create a new folder here, and then you name it maybe new indicators. Then you have it there. So now you have new indicators here as a folder, and it's empty. So what do you do? Let's see. I have one indicator I downloaded, which I want to show you. So this is the indicator, and most of the indicators, they are either in the WinRAR format, so you might have to extract them before you have them. So let me close this and come back here for you to see what I'm talking about. So here is it. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. So you click and open it like this. Yes, then it opens like this. So here it is. So you open this. So here is the indicator here. So you click on this here. Finally, this is the indicator. All right. So let's go back to what we're doing. So FBS is what I'm using. So don't forget, you have already opened a folder for the FBS. Okay. But supposing you have forgotten, let's go back again. You go to File. You go to Open Data Folder. Then you go to MQL4. Then you see indicators. So you click on indicators. So you see this is the folder we created, the new indicators. So you open this folder. Then you go to the WinRAR format folder too. So this is the WinRAR format folder which you opened. So this is the indicator. All you need to do is you click and hold this indicator, then you drag it and then you paste it here. That is it. You just drag, you pick the indicator, drag it, and then you put it here. Once you are done, you close all the folders. And then you close the MT4 itself. So you close it. Now when you close it, you open it again. You go to FBS Trader is what I'm using, FBS MT4. So you go to FBS and open the MetaTrader 4 again, or whichever broker MetaTrader you are using, you open it again. Now that you have opened it again, then you come here. In the middle here, you see indicators. So you click on indicators here. You click on indicators, and then it will open. So these are the indicators here, the ones I was showing you. But you will see a folder which has new indicators. Do you see it here? This is it, new indicators. This is the folder you created. So when you click on new indicators, let's see, you have Forex Atron indicator, which we placed in the folder. So this is it here. So this is the indicator here. So when you double click on this indicator, the indicator will appear. All right, it will appear. Okay, so this is how to add an indicator to your MT4 or install indicator on your MT4. Okay, so now that you know how to install an indicator on your MT4, let's look at this Forex Atron indicator. Let's look at this Forex Atron indicator. So you double click on it. It's actually an indicator I have tested, and it looks like it's kind of good. but I don't know whether you will like it or not. So let me just try it for you to see. If you will like it, I will link the download link on the description of this video. So when you go to the description of this video, you will see the link to download this indicator, okay? And then you will also get other links to join my Telegram page where I share signals. They are free, daily signals, free of course, on this channel. So when you go to the Telegram page, you will get the free signals that I share daily. And these signals are good. And I know they will raise your account from nothing to something, okay? So let's look at this indicator, Forex Atron indicator. So we double click on it. It comes like this. Then you click OK. Here is the indicator, the Forex Atron indicator. Now, what is this indicator about? This indicator has a blue line down here, a yellow line in the middle, and a red line up here. What it simply means is that whenever the trade goes above this red line, and then you see this is pink, right? You see a pink color dot on top. That should tell you that the trade has made more than it's supposed to go, and so that trade will finally come down, okay? And the down here, whenever you see the white dot color, it means that the trade has made the sold, or it has gone oversold. So here means overbought, here means oversold. Oversold, overbought. This is what this Atron indicator says. So now let's see whether what this indicator says can be actually used to trade, okay? Let me go back, and it has a period that it goes. So this is the period it starts from. So let's see. I want to show you the period of this indicator first. Then this is the indicator. So let's see its inputs. Okay. So these are the deviations that it gives. Flexibility, the check bars, and the rest. So these are the things that it shows. Okay. So what this indicator is saying is that whenever there is a white dot below this candle on the sell direction, it means that trade has made enough of the sell, and so it must go buy. So let's see. If you are a long time trader, this is on the daily time frame, okay? Let's see. The candle set here, the white dot came here saying that it is oversold, and so this trade was going to go buy. Let's see. If you enter the market over here, I don't know what will be your stop loss, but let's see. If you enter the market here, what is your stop loss like? Your stop loss is going to be about let's see. It's on 0.74092, and then it came down to 73 6, so almost 120 pips. Okay, so almost 120 pips. So if your stop loss is around 200 pips, because this is on a daily time frame, so if your stop loss is around 200 pips, you will never be taken out of the market. And now let's see, how many pips would you have made on the daily time frame if you went buy from this point when you saw the dots here? See, how much do you think you would have made from here? Over 2,000 pips. You would have made over 2,000 pips. How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So let's say 22 is a month, 1 month. So 22 in a month, you would have made closely 2,000 plus pips. So let's say in a month, 22 working days, you would have made over 2,000 pips. Wow. So it means this indicator actually did something magical. So let's see here. Over here, we had a pink color saying it is overbought. So if you enter the market here, a sell at this point. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my God. Let's see. You entered here, right? Okay. How many days? Let's see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's see. Up to this point. How many pips? 2,300 pips. Again, within another month. Okay? You would have made this. And then at this point, there was another dot that said it is oversold. Oversold. So let's see. Oversold here. Let's see. How much would you have made? Let's see. At this point, you bought the market from this point. How much would you have made? Oh my God. Over 2,000 pips again in another month. And then again, if you're a monthly chart trader, if you are the type that leaves your trade to run in a whole month, let's see, it came here, overbought here, you entered again. Oh my God, over here, over 3,000 pips. So look at where the candle, the light, the white dot came. 3,000 pips. Oh my God, let's go forward. Let's go forward again. And then you enter the market here again when you saw it here. So from here to a buy, let's see. Another 3,000 pips. Oh my God, this is a Tron indicator for you. Maybe it is just this currency pair that is doing that. Let's check another currency pair. Let's use the popular ones. Euro USD. I want to look for Euro USD. Where is it? Euro USD. Euro USD. Is it here? Oh my God. Euro USD. Euro USD is here. So let's pick Euro USD. Okay. So we are on Euro USD. Let's go back to where this thing started. Whilst the market goes forward, it continues to move, right? So let's see. We are on Euro USD. At this point, the white candle, the white dot came here saying it is oversold. So if you enter the, yes, oversold. So if you enter the market here, let's see, how many pips would that be? 2,500 pips. On one of the strongest currency pair in the world, you would have made 2,500 pips. Now let's look at that. You enter the market here. See all that down here to this point. Look at it here. Look at it here. Look at it here. Magic, huh? Magic. It's only at this point here that, I don't know, but look. It's only here, I may say, that I don't know. But if you entered over here, the market went against you. And if you are the type of trader that really knows money management, you would have removed your stop loss. And once it reaches here, the trade finally came back and brought you into profit. So it came here, this was the last day. So the next day, it went against you. The second day, it came back, but still against you. The third day, you were in profit. Third day, you were in profit. You stayed in profit, and up to somewhere here. I don't know how many pips you might be looking for. Let's say in a month, if you are looking for just 1,000 pips, in a month, 1,000 pips, then it means this indicator is never going to fail you. So if you entered here, let's see whether you would have made your 1,000 pips. This is 1,600 pips. This is 1,600 pips. So this indicator would have never failed you. From here, it didn't come down to touch here. And then it went back up. And then when it came here, another sell. Triple dots. A strong sell. And if you enter, let's see whether you would have made your 1,000 pips in a month. 1,000 pips. Oh my God, this is over 2,000. So you would have definitely made your 1,000 pips in a month. And then here was also another signal. Let's see if you would have made your 1,000 pips. This is 1,400. You would have made your profits. Your TP would have certainly hit. So this indicator. Just look at it. Or should we go for another currency pair? GBP USD. Let's look at GBP USD too. Whether it will also give us something. Okay, thank you. Sorry for the sound. That is the sound that comes with the indicator. It sucks, but It gives money. Yes, it sucks but gives money. So we'll adjust ourselves to that. Look at it here. GBP USD overbought here. You entered here. Oh. In a month, you would have made 3,000. Look at it, 3,000 pips. You would have definitely gotten your 1,000 pips in a month. This wouldn't have been up to a month because from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So in 13 working days, you would have made your 1,000 pips. And then the trade went back here, touch here, which indicates another signal. If you had entered from here again, look at it, up to here, you would have made your 1,000 pips again. So in a month, I'm sure you would have made 2,000 pips. Then if you had entered here, it went up a bit, came down to oversold again, and then went all up. So today, as I am recording this video, today's date is 14th September 2019. Today, 14th September 2019, what is happening on GBP USD? Look at it here, it is overbought. So those of you watching this video, I think the market is closed now. Today is Saturday, 14th September 2019. So if you had entered here, let's see, maybe try this on demo, okay? Try this indicator on demo. Let's see whether this indicator will bring you the money with a sell. Yeah. All right? This is what we teach on this channel. This is what we teach on this channel. Now, I'm going to give you this indicator for free. I will link this indicator in the description below. I'll send you the link in the description below. So you go to the description, you click on the link and get this indicator for free. And then try it on demo. Try it on demo. If you try this on demo and it works, then you can now try it with your real account, okay? This is Leading Forex. We teach you what no other people teach. Yes. Most people don't teach the right thing, but we are here to give you the right thing. If you are satisfied with what I have just shown you, you would have made something new today in the Forex. And it is only those who have watched the video to the end that will be seeing this. Those who watch the video for just 2-3 minutes would have lost it. So I will beg of you that whenever you come on this channel, make sure you watch every video I post to the end, because most of the packages, some of the tips and bonuses I will be giving will always be at the end of the video. So try your best and watch and be able to grab what you can get in other Forex video channels or Forex tutorials. Over here, you will get everything you need. I will also link my Telegram page. You can join the Telegram page where I'll be sharing signals with you daily for free. So you can trade with those signals and make your profit and make your money. If you love this video, please comment. Leave your comment on the video. Tell us what you feel about this video, okay? And also give us a like. You can like this video, and then, like I said, you give a comment. And if you want to be a good person to someone, you can also share this video with whoever you love, okay? Share that video with someone else to also learn something new, okay? So this is Leading Forex. Join our Telegram page, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and watch out for new trading videos. So to get new videos, always make sure you hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to see it. Maybe let me add the last currency. Maybe let's just, which one do I use? GBP JPY, okay. So this is GBP JPY. So you can see it here. It came overbought here, or sorry, oversold here, and then all the way to this place. Let's see how many pips that would have been. Oversold here, came up to this point. This is 1,800 pips. So if you were looking for just 1,000 pips, you would have made it in a month. How many days would that have been? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Within 9 days, you would have made your 1,000 pips. Okay. And then let's see here again. it came here giving us the signal for a sell. So if you entered here, the sell, you would have made about 7,900 pips in a matter of how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So in 20 days, which is in a month, you would have made 7,900 pips with this indicator. You see, this indicator is not popular, so I always tell people to stay unpopular. If you stay unpopular, you will always be the best. Now look at it today. Today, this video I'm recording, today's date is what? Today is 14th September, Saturday 14th September 2019. And currently, this is what the market is telling us. This indicator is saying that GBP JPY is overbought. So the trend will soon come down. How many of you will grab it? In case you have seen this video earlier. So the market is opening Sunday night, which is going to be 15th. So luckily you have seen this video today, 14th. So you have a day to prepare and try it on your demo account and see how it works. Okay. So let's see. Here you got a buy signal from here. Let's see how much would that have been. A buy signal from here made 7,200 pips. 7,200 pips in how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In 10 days, you would have made 7,200 pips on the daily time frame. This is money. This is money. This is Leading Forex. Subscribe and you will never regret. I'll meet you again with a new video. Until then, stick and stay on this channel. All the best.